CNC Worldwide presents New England Patriots head coach Bill Belichick threw Tom Brady under the bus at the morning news conference on Thursday. Belichick said that he knows nothing about the process concerning the air pressure in the game balls. He added that Brady can provide more information about his preference for footballs. In the afternoon news conference, Brady echoed that he had no knowledge of any wrongdoing and that he did not alter the balls in any way. When asked about the perception that he and/or the Patriots might be cheaters, Brady said that he did not believe so. He said that he always plays by the rules and would never do anything to break the rules. In girls high school basketball on Thursday night, Bishop Kearney lost a close game to visiting Cardinal O'Hara from Tonawanda, Section 6, by a 55-49 count on senior night. Lady King senior Charisma Bryant broke the 1,000-point plateau for her career as she finished with 25 points, 11 rebounds, 6 steals, 4 assists, and 3 blocks. Bryant will attend Niagara University on an athletic scholarship in the fall. Princella McCullough added 10 points for Kearney. The Kings' record fell to 12-4 on the season. Pittsburgh Mendon upped its record to 10-3 with a 55-44 victory over visiting East High, which fell to 7-7. Caroline Cullinan led the Lady Vikings with 12 points, 7 rebounds, and 3 steals. Allie Phillips contributed 9 points, 6 rebounds, 4 assists for Mendon, which has won 8 of its last 9 games. For the Lady Orientals, Shanina Clark scored 11 points. The combined team of School of the Arts / Northwest defeated World of Inquiry School 48-42 at school number 33. Crystal Hunter paced Soda with 25 points, 12 rebounds, 7 steals, and 5 assists. The Lady Silverhawks improved to 5-8 on the season as the Lady Griffins fell to 3-9. Hope Solo has been suspended from the U.S. women's national soccer team for 30 days. The standout goalie will miss the 2 national team friendly games in France on February 8th and in England on February 13th. Solo was suspended from the team on Wednesday after her husband Jeremy Stevens was arrested on Monday for driving under the influence while driving a U.S. soccer team vehicle. Solo was a passenger in the vehicle. The incident comes 1 week after 2 domestic violence assault charges were dismissed against Solo. Solo will be eligible for reinstatement after the 30-day ban upon review and approval of the Federation and national team coach Jill Ellis. That's the CNC Sports Rock Report for today. This is Topher Jancurcio reporting. Come back tomorrow for the CNC Sports Rock Report.